All right, I'm fired up. Those pigs are safe. Are you ready to see these little piggies rumble? Okay. Right now the pigs are back in the locker room, getting stretched out, limbered up. They're getting ready to race. Very, very important for these professional athletes. Injuries are bad news if you're trying to be this year's MVP. The most valuable pig, that is. Yeah, first there's a pulled hamstring. Then you gotta take a ride on the ambulance. Then you gotta go get cured. Then there's plenty more ham jokes where that came from, ladies and gentlemen. So while their backs are getting ready, I'm going to need two brave, adult, passionate volunteers from the crowd to come on down to the infield. That's right, we need two extra hands to help us out with the show. You sit right there in the back, come on down with the green shirt, come on down. And I'm gonna go with you, ma'am, in the back row over there with the sunglasses. Come on down. Okay, we've got the perfect job for you guys. I'm gonna turn around right here. That's my buddy Curtis. Yeah, he loves making new friends, and he loves showing his new friends around the pen. So follow him right on back there. Won't take long. We'll see you in just a little bit. All right, now if I can get two more volunteers to come on down and help us out. Wait a minute, guys. I know you were hiding and your skepticism behind your enthusiasm. So I can tell you're not quite having it. Not to worry, we have much cleaner jobs for you. Maybe better luck next time, Curtis, my friend. All right, Omar, you see that blue chair right over there by the finish line? All right, I'm gonna have you take a seat right over there, make yourself comfortable. I'll be with you in just a little bit. Melissa, you follow me. You're gonna be right over here. Hop on over the double fences all the way to the other side of this contraption. So you're going to be our official starter. You'll be working with the latest and greatest in racing pig technology. You are the one in charge of letting the pigs out on the track. Does that sound good to you? All right, I got a good feeling about it. See that pin right there? Grab that with your left hand. All right, your turn, Omar. I think Melissa over there has a pretty good gig, right? Yeah, what she does, can't lie about that. Well, the thing is, once she lets the pigs out onto the track, she becomes a spectator. That's when all eyes will fall on you. Melissa's starting the races, you're finishing them. You have the best seat in the house, a little bit of extra shade right here on this beautiful sunny day. The perfect view of the finish line. That's because you are going to be our official judge. And nothing says official quite like a clipboard. All right, big round of applause for Omar. Okay, but the races are as clean as they could possibly get. So now that we have all that taken care of, there's the call of post. First round of racers making their way to the starting gate. Oh yes, here they are in all their glory. My, it's a beautiful thing. Starting on the far inside lane, wearing the yellow number 3. I gotta admit, he's not the brightest bulb in the chandelier. And this one time he was invited over to a family luau, and he actually showed up. Oh man, can you believe it? There was some confusion over the idea of the family having him over for dinner. But he made it out of there in one piece. That's just how fast he is. Let's make some noise for Koban! In lane 2, wearing the red number 4, we named her after that wild, fast, and dangerous Alaskan river, because that's exactly how she races. Fresh from the land of the midnight sun, let's give it up for Yukon! In lane 3, wearing the orange number 1, we named him after an Alaskan gold rush character, real slippery guy. Keep your eyes on him and keep your wallets close. He's a total con man. But he runs really fast. We love having him here. Make some noise for Sophie Smith. And in the far outside lane, wearing the green number 2, this is our original male chauvinist pig. But I will say, in recent years, he's molded himself into a more well-rounded individual. Plus, I like the way he snorts at my jokes. So there's that. Let's make some noise for Sourdough Jack! Alright, we got our bitches, we got our first set of pigs. Alright, ready to go. Fellas, are ready? Ready, set, go! And they're off, here they go! Don't be stepping the other way. Sourdough Jack right there. Round and round they go. Working, good. Who do we got, Omar? Who do we got? Number 1, Sophie Smith takes on the win! Make some noise for Sophie Smith! And it looks like number 2, Sourdough Jack takes home the runner-up finish. We'll see them just a little bit later on for the championship. We do elimination style racing around here, ladies and gentlemen. So the top 2 finishers from each of our first 2 races move on to the championship. We'll also be picking 4 enthusiastic kids to be our section cheering leaders a little bit later on, with the chance to win prizes. So a whole lot to look forward to. Don't go anywhere. What's this? I'm getting word from the back about something. Our next set of racers are not happy with what they just saw. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. They took one look at this flat track and they say to themselves, this is way too easy. In their own words, it's a total bore. So we're gonna kick it up a notch with these, our custom-made piggy high hurdles. All right, one over here, one over there. So for our first race, we got to see the pigs run. Now we get to see them fly. Okay, mixed reactions right there. You know, I understand. My fault, didn't mean to twist your arms, guys. I know what you're probably thinking. Are these things really up to regulation height? Well, I can assure you, these things do meet our Olympic standard. That's right, stand exactly 1 feet 2 inches tall. These hurdles tower above just about all of our athletes, so this is going to be big. And there's the second call of post. I'll introduce our second race in just a moment. Let me tell you all a little bit about these guys. They're all the same breed. They're called Gloucestershire Old Spots. They were created many centuries ago in Gloucester County, England. In the 18th century, they made their way over to North America, where they gained popularity on the breeding market. By the 20th century, though, they fell out of favor on the market. Their numbers began to dwindle. They were officially classified as a critically endangered breed. But, thanks in large part to the Livestock Conservancy, of which we are proud members, their numbers have been back on the rise. As of 2016, they were officially upgraded from critically endangered all the way to threatened. We're proud to support the Livestock Conservancy both promotionally and financially. So please, let's give it up for the Livestock Conservancy, ladies and gentlemen, and all those hard-working breeders in this great land. Okay, with that said, let's meet our second set of racers. Starting on the inside lane, we're in the blue number 6. We've got a celebrity on our hands, ladies and gentlemen. He's a 5-time pig racing world champion. He has graced the cover of Snort's Illustrated magazine, the swimsuit edition. He's written, starred, and directed 2 of his very own kung fu motion picture films, Pork Chop and Pork Chop 2, all the fixins. I'm talking about the amazing, the almighty, the everlasting Bow. In lane 2, we're in the pink number 5. Oh, she's our sweetest pig. She's a crowd favorite. That's why we gave her the sweetest name. But once she hits the track, that sweetness goes right out the door. Let's make some noise for Strawberry! In lane 3, we're in the black number 7. Not only does he run fast, he eats just as fast too. That's right, during the off-season, his second job is competitive eating. He's thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. Fortunately, he runs much cleaner than he eats. Let's give it up for Sloppy Joe! And in lane 4, we're in the purple number 8. He comes from a long time ago and a pigsty far away. Let's make some noise for Luke Sky Porter! All right, we got hurdles, we got a second set. We're going to go with the bell this time. Just waiting for that bell. It's about to come, it's about to come. There's the bell, and they're off. Oh, big field in the Strawberry right there. Sky Porter leaving behind. Strawberry coming around. This is going to be close. How far they go? Who do we got? Number 5, Strawberry takes home the win. Make some noise for Strawberry. Number 6, Bob, takes home the runner-up finish. So that just about rounds out our championship field, ladies and gentlemen. Soapy Smith will come out for one special solo run to strut his stuff for all you guys. On one condition, we add the hurdle extenders. Yep, let's see just how high Soapy Smith can fly. You know, I am wondering though, even with all his trash talking, Soapy Smith is a true professional. And he really wants to come out here and impress all of you guys. I'm not sure if this is gonna cut it. I have something in mind, but I need to see what everyone thinks. Should we go higher? Yeah! Alright, well I'm sold. That was probably the easiest question of my career. Let me bring this over across the way. I'm going to put it right over here. So we're going to be making a double piggy high hurdle. Are you not impressed, ladies and gentlemen? But you know, in a way, it's almost too impressive. I'm going to need some help. You kiddos right there. Come up, come stand up. Yes, yes. Help us out with the show. All right, we can have you right there in the Mario, sir. Come across the way right here. Yep, come on over the fences. You guys right over here. I'm going to just put your hands right on the top of this hurdle. Perfect, just like that. Yep, you do the same thing, bud. Soapy Smith is just a little baby pig, and this is a whole level lumber. I don't want to take a chance. And what are all of your names? Owen. What are your names? Emma. What's your name, bud? All right, let's go for Rhea, Owen, and Emma, ladies and gentlemen. Give me an extra set of hands for the show. All right, we have our hurdle helpers. We have a double piggy high hurdle. Now we just need that little pig himself. There's the call to post. Here comes Soapy Smith. Oh, yes. Now that is the strut of one confident pig right there. He took one look at that double piggy high hurdle and he said to himself, "There. I got this, no problem for me." But you guys know these athlete types. They feed off the energy of a loud, crazy crowd. Let's make some noise for Soapy Smith! Soapy Smith, start your engine! Right, I got another idea. We're gonna count them down. Be 3, 2, 1 to go. Ready? 3! There goes Soapy Smith. All right, all right. He puts the bus on him. And away he goes. Here comes Soapy Smith. Oh, wow. Can you believe it? Oh, boy, did Soapy Smith throw us for a loop. You know, I'd ask you guys if you talked about this before, but judging by your reactions, you look just as surprised as I am. Wow, that is one smart pig. Here, I'll take these right here. You know, that's what you get for naming a pig after a comment, after all. Wow. Let's give it up one more time for Soapy Smith, ladies and gentlemen. Our championship racers making their way to the line. Remember, guys, the louder you cheer for your pig, the faster he or she is going to run. In lane 1, wearing the pink, number 5, it's Strawberry, ready for Carlos! In lane 2, wearing the blue, number 6, it's Bob running for Jasper! In lane 3, wearing the orange, number 1, it's Soapy Smith running for Harrison! And in lane 4, wearing the green, number 2, it's Sourdough Jack running for Jackson! Championship pigs, we have a second cheerleaders. We're just waiting on that bell. Oh yes, it's gonna be big. There's the bell, there's the bell. And go! Oh, takes the early lead. Domino Jack like this. Strawberry tries to make a late move. Round and round they go. Here they come to the line. Oh, it's Bob who wins it by a mile. Bob takes home the win. That makes Jasper our All-Alaskan Racing Pig champion. Give it up for Jasper. And of course, let's hear it one more time for the real stars of the show, the All-Alaskan Racing Pig.